Hello friends, welcome. In this video, we will see how we can use .env file in order to get the environment variables. Earlier, we used to set it as an export, but in this video, we will see how we can define all those required variables as a .env file. For that, we are going to use a Python package called Python decouple. So let's proceed. So as a first step, what I'm going to do is I have to create one env file called I have to create .env file, environment file .env. I have already created this file. As you can see, all these variables which I have used earlier, I have copied those variables into my .env file. As a next step, what I have to do is I have to install this Python module. So my Python decouple has been installed. As a next step, what I need to do is I need to modify my file, my settings.py file. I have already created a gist file. You can see. So here I have written the steps. Suppose this is our environment file. This is my manage.py file. I can modify manage.py file as well. But since we are not going to use manage.py always, so alternatively what we can do is we can just copy this command, this snippet code into our settings.py file. Let's try running this command. Since I have not received any error, that means my file has been loaded successfully. I can check over here by printing some exception if it occurs. Also, what I can do is I can verify by printing my variables from .env file. So yeah, as you can see, all these variables, these has been so my Django module is recognizing all these variables. Alternatively, how I can verify by importing settings. My API URI. Also, I can verify what is my secret key. I can verify the same by modifying my .env file. Suppose I set my secret key as 789. Also, I can set my debug to false. As you can see, debug is false. Secret key is this. So my secret key is coming as 123456789, which is coming from my .env file. So if I say run server at 8000 port, this should be up and running. So I can verify. My GraphQL is working at this port. Why I am not, why this is throwing not found? Because I am running it as a deep, I'm running it as a production mode. So if I change my env file debug to true, I should be able to see my Salier this page. Yeah, so pretty much we are successfully able to use .env file for all the environment variables via .env file. So now what I have done is I have modified my Salier settings file. So what I can do over here is so since I know that I am using a stable branch 2.1 and I cannot commit into the same branch, but somehow I need to save my changes so that whenever there is any update from Salier, I should able to rebase or merge my changes to the Salier branch. So what I can do is I can create a new branch which I can say for my price menu branch. What I can do is I can add this file. I'm not going to add .env file. The reason is simple. I don't want my private variables which are specific to they contains lot of credentials which I don't want to push them to the repo. So I'm not going to push that .env file into my repo. I just need to have the reference of my .env file somewhere placed at a secured place. So I'm not going to add that, and I'm simply saying git commit added .env changes. Yeah, so pretty much my git is not set. So once I have this branch, I can simply do git push origin or git push origin my branch. So with this process, my changes will be saved, and next time whenever I have a new update from Salier, what I can do is I can simply download that particular stable branch and merge into my price menu branch. Yeah. So thank you.